Ladies and gents, gather round for the kitchen wonder of the 21st century. Meet the PSIIDAN Smoothie Blender, the ultimate combo of power and chic design that'll pimp your countertop. First off, ever tried to crush ice with a spoon? Yeah, me neither. But with the PSIIDAN's epic 1800W motor, ice, frozen fruits, they all don't stand a chance. Imagine blending up a smoothie for an army or just your hungry kids. The 68-ounce pitcher makes it easy. Batch prep like a boss for those crazy weekday mornings. Who loves dish duty? No one. This pitcher's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup so breezy you'll have more time to binge-watch your fave shows. Health nuts, listen up, your dream appliance is here. Kale smoothies, protein shakes, even avocado dips are no match for this beast. Quick geography lesson, smoothies aren't just for SoCal vibes. Whether you're in NYC penthouses or chilling in Texas suburbs, whipping up your faves is a cinch. Families, pay attention. Cut the pondering over what's for breakfast, mom. Just blend it and enjoy. Feeding tiny humans or entertaining friends has never been easier. Into the urban hustle, this blender's sleek, professional-grade design will swipe right into your apartment's kitchen aesthetic. Countertop space? Not a worry. Now, for the fearless experimenters, mix those secret cocktail concoctions. Your house parties will be the stuff of legend, just maybe not Instagram stories. For those navigating the blender jungles of Amazon, bet your gadget-ridden heart on PSIIDAN. Let's shake things up in the smoothie sector. To my fellow convenience lovers, here's the pitch. High power, low maintenance. For all your blending escapades, this blender's got your back. So you're thinking, why PSIIDAN? Because complex shouldn't mean complicated. Regular blenders just don't cut it when you can have pro-grade at home. The time is now, folks. Want to challenge ice to a duel or prep meals like a pro? Dive into the goodness by clicking the link in the description below. You won't regret leveling up your kitchen game with the PSIIDAN blender. Tap that link, grab that blender, make some magic happen. See you on the smooth side.